Lovelies. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on how I did this look extremely easily and quickly using an Amazon palette right here that I am so excited to share with all of you. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So like I mentioned, I'm using this palette from Amazon. One of my viewers actually told me about this company and told me how fabulous it is. And from the Amazon reviews, absolutely, like over 2,300 reviews, and they're all like 4.5 stars. Here's one of them, and I just picked the one that's the most popular, and it literally has everything you could probably ever need in your life right here. And I was really surprised. You're never sure we're gonna get with Amazon makeup or really inexpensive makeup with the type of pigmentation. So let me just actually do a couple swatches like on my arm right here, just so you can see. It's like out of control, the colors. I mean, look at that. That's just great. I'll do this brown. That's kind of a red. And then of course, let's just dig into this blue. But wow, I mean, it just is highly pigmented. It just is really exciting. I love it. And so like, for instance, this whole package right here is like, I don't know, $17. And this one actually comes with a sponge, and it comes with a little travel case with some travel size brushes and beauty needs. So that's kind of cute right there. You can never have enough brushes in your life. So let's just get into how I created this look. Alright, to get started, I'm actually going to show you the 3 brushes that I used. Right here I have my favorite e.l.f. brush right here. It's the C brush. I absolutely love this. I have so many of them because they're so great. One of my favorites. And then of course I do love the Morphe blending brushes. So this is a M505. And then I do have a random brush. Actually, this is an Arbonne brush that I got like a million years ago. So it's just a little bit more of, almost like the C, but a little bit more fluff, if that makes any sense. So I'll be using these 3. And then also for this look, I only use 3 colors. So that's what I'm all about, is using just a couple of colors. So first of all, I'll be using this color right here, this color right here, and then this color, and that is it for this look. Alright, so let's dive in with the C brush right here and using this amazing kind of seafoam green color. Love it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to pack this in right here. Go about maybe 3/4 of the lid here. And then I'm just gonna, kind of put it up. It doesn't really matter like this point right here because we're going to go over it with a blending brush. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush and just blend it out really quickly. Again, this does not matter. We're going to go over it with another color. Alright, yeah, that looks amazing. So now I'm just going to take this even more kind of like aqua blue green color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then I'm just going to go over the crease and up now. Drag it in here. Just like that. It looks pretty good, right? Alright, so now I'm going to take the brush that is a little bit more concentrated, this kind of random brush, and take this is actually a matte blue right here. Really dig it. Just going to tap it, and then now I'm going to just go deep into the crease, and then kind of, this is going to give us that dramatic blue color. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the blending brush again, the exact same one. I'm just going to blend this out. The inside lid here. And hit that green right here. And then also, we're going to definitely have it as it already kind of like touched the bottom, which is perfect because I'm just going to also drag this color lightly down here. And make sure that this kind of pops a little bit in that corner. Now for the last part, I'm going to go back with the seafoam green kind of color. I'm I'm just going to drag it on the very bottom of my lash line and drag it into here perfectly. And then I'm gonna make sure that this color really pops right here. I'm just gonna pat it in the original site that we were in, just so it pops, because it's too pretty not to have that concentration. Oh my gosh, I love it. And literally, that is almost it. To really complete the eyeshadow look, I did use a highlighter on the inner corner and under the brow bone. I am loving the Jeffree Star Ice Cold right here. I got this as part of one of the mystery boxes, but prior to me loving that one, I'm a huge Wet n Wild fan. This one is my absolute favorite. It's just called Mega Glow. So next for eyeliner, I love Essence eyeliner, and I just saw this new one called Liquid Ink. So I've actually been using this lately. Prior to me using this was my everyday, another Essence 24-hour waterproof right here. This one has a felt tip. I absolutely love this one. But this one is just a little bit more of a, you get more of a pristine line because it is actually a brush, and it's a liquid, so I absolutely love that. So we're just gonna draw it out. My classic eyeliner. Using a little bit of mascara. My favorite mascara is the CoverGirl Super Sizer, and of course it doesn't really matter what mascara you're using because we're going to be putting on giant eyelashes, of course. Then a little bit on lower lash line. And for the eyelashes right here, my favorite glue to use is by Kiss right here. It's the I Envy, and it is in color black, and it is the latex and formaldehyde free product because I actually a little bit have sensitive eyes, so I absolutely love this, and I love that you can literally put them on after like 20 to 30 seconds after applying the glue. It is flawless for me, and I just put them on, literally as easy as that, and then I just, you know, push them into its correct spot, and I just do this. I mean, literally, this is just how easy it is for me every single day, because practice makes perfect. Lips, I'm kind of torn between two colors. I think I'm going to use this one by NYX. This is the Slip Tease in the color of Dream Space right here. It has a little bit of a mauve tone. Hitting it with these earrings that I'm wearing, I figure, why not? I am super impressed with how this turned out and just really how beautifully pigmented these colors are. And of course I did match kind of this look with these great earrings that I just got from Ross. They're from Natasha. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I just can't handle it. And so it definitely created a look. Definitely any lip color I really feel would work for this. Like, just have fun with it. And you know, that's what I love about makeup, is like matching your makeup and having fun with colors by either doing with your jewelry you're wearing, maybe the wig color that you're wearing, or the outfit. Like, just have fun. Life is short. Do something new every single day because you are not promised tomorrow. So I want to know if any of you have actually tried this Beauty Glazed brand, or if you have any of their other makeup palettes, lippies, or any of their other products. I seriously would love to know. And maybe even see some of your looks that you've done. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of your makeup looks, of your wig looks, of you being fabulous. So let's all empower each other every single day to be the best that we can be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in beautiful, dramatic makeup, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we